This is actually very boring, but you will hit your first $1,000 goal real quick. This seems dumb, but it literally guarantees you your first $1,000. Now you have seen many freelancers working on easy mode and making thousands of bucks each single month. It all comes down to a dumb but simple trick that actually works. In the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'll be teaching you how to use this dumb but working strategy to make your first earning online. Before we start making money, we need something that we could sell, as simple as a skill. Maybe you already have one, that's why you are here. Step one is actually knowing what you actually need to learn. For example, if you're a video editor like me, you can go on social media and find the most trending styles of the popular YouTubers you're watching. Step two is start breaking down and start learning. You'll have to start learning for 2 hours daily for the next 30 days. Let's break it down. In the first 1 hour, meaning 2 sessions, you have to learn this skill with 100% hyper focus, and the next hour is gonna practice. Go on YouTube, search and find the exact tutorials, exact thing you wanna learn. For example, you learn basics of video editing. Go on YouTube, find some raw clips of any kind of video, take it and edit it on the basis of what you learned. Save all the edits you made in a secure folder. After these 30 days of hard work, you now have something that's valuable enough to sell to make your first $1,000. This is where you have to choose a sub-niche in your skill. Maybe if you're a video editor, you might have to choose online course video editor, documentary video editor. Picture your ideal audience. You have to ask yourself some question. Who is your ideal customer? What are they chasing in life or work? What's holding them back from achieving it? What's the most frustrating pain point for your ideal audience? And last thing, how the pain point is connected to the goal they want to achieve. Now, first we have to find a problem worth solving. There are some questions we're gonna ask ourselves. What's one challenge they can't seem to fix on their own? How does this problem affect their time, emotions, and money? The next question is this issue enough for them to find a solution immediately? How do they describe their own struggle in their own words? The bigger, the more specific the problem is, they're gonna pay you more. Answer all of the questions and you have got the ideal customer. Next, we have the second most important thing, a portfolio. As you're a beginner who haven't worked for anyone, but you have to show something to your client. And that's gonna be the practice work we did earlier. Upload that practice work into Google Drive. Maybe you can make a website and publish everything there. We can have a separate video on that. After arranging all of the stuff, you actually practice, rename it, and upload it in a drive. After all the arrangements, you got your portfolio ready to show to your clients. Make sure to be honest to your clients when you are approaching them, but don't directly tell them that you are an absolute beginner. Part 4 is marketing, which is actually the most important thing. Listen, at first, no one knows you. I made a flowchart to explain what is the situation and what we want. No thoughts, unaware, then you start movement, become aware. It creates a sense of recency and relevancy, which generates thoughts about you and your service in their mind. Actually, there are multiple ways to market yourself. Inbound marketing, outbound marketing. Outbound marketing means that you are reaching the client yourself, like cold calling, cold emails, email marketing is second. And the inbound marketing is you have to post content and attract your potential customers. Now you're going to experience a shift in the topic. Here we are going to discuss about how to start an actual personal brand. Now this is the most important part of this strategy. This phase will not only make you a couple thousands of dollars, but tens of thousands of dollars each month, and sometimes without even working. We will be creating a professional personal brand in just a couple of steps. Step 1, which is brand consistency. To be recognized as a brand, you need to be consistent in colors and fonts, which is called brand theme. So to choose a color for your brand theme, you have to go to ChatGPT, ask him the best color on the basis of psychology for your brand. For example, if you're a video editor providing edits in documentary video editing, it may recommend you something like orange or red that matches your brand. Key point, psychology is more important. Now you need 2 fonts for your brand. One must be artistic and the other one must be minimalist. Step 2 is choosing a name. You can simply choose your real name, maybe a brand name, is up to you. While creating a profile pic, you may have to consider some important points. Take a clean pic of yourself against a simple background, wearing some professional dresses, maybe a suit or simple shirt. Remove the background from it, add your brand color as background. Step 3 is one of the most important steps of this thing. It's bio. How to write a stunning bio. Do not use AI to write it. Write what you do. Maybe you are a video editor, maybe you are a graphic designer or a copywriter. Second thing, you have to add your qualification. What is your skill level? The last but not the least part, which is CTA. This is where psychology comes in. This will make your viewers, your audience, to actually place an order for you. Step 4, CTA. Instead of just writing DM me now or message me now, you must add a portfolio link, a Google form link to actually make them contact you, a Calendly link to book a call from you. Here's my experience. If you somehow manage to get a client on a call or meeting, chances of getting that project increases by 90%. Step 5, content. A consistent brand is an authentic brand. You'll have to upload one reel or story or post per day to promote your services. Now we have to find some ideas for content. There are 3 methods to find content: pain method, desired method, and running method. Make videos for the specific pain points of your ideal audience, or you can make videos on the specific desired outcomes they want, or you can just work on something that's actually going viral. How to actually create converting script for reels comes down to 3 steps: hook, body, and outro. In the hook, make a positive or negative claim to hook the viewers. In the body, follow up with the claim and giving them some specific knowledge about that area. And the last thing is outro. Outro contains the CTA. Ask them to follow you. You can tell them about your portfolio in your bio. You can tell them how to book a call from you. CTA can be anything that suits you best. Choose any social media and start posting your content. Join some groups such as Facebook groups and start helping other people who are struggling with anything you can help with. Comment on other people's posts, other people's work, and share your valuable thoughts to them. This will give you credibility over the platform and a following that can later convert into actual leads. The last but the most important thing is communication. How to actually communicate with a client to convert him into a lead. Whenever a client reaches you, be very professional along with being as much as friendly as you can. If you want me to teach you how to actually communicate with buyers, comment down below. Let's get to the next part of the video. Now, after learning and mastering the skill and creating a successful personal brand, now you can reach clients and businesses yourself. Reach them, showcase your portfolio and personal brand. This will make them easily trust in you. Start offering them your services. This was the actual blueprint that helped thousands of people make their thousands of dollars online.